Aastha and you are watching my channel Art with Aastha. So in today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a chocolate cake with a special guest in my video, my best friend Vanshika.
Hi everyone!
So for the cake, we will need 2 packets of Bourbon Biscuits,
Eno,
1 cup of milk,
1 teaspoon measuring spoon,
a mixing bowl, and boil water for around 10 minutes in a steaming. So we will start off by adding the biscuits into the pan slowly.
Now we have added some Bourbon biscuits into a mixing jar. We will now grind this into powder.
Now take this powder and pour it into the mixing bowl. Now we will add half a cup of milk into this mixture. We will add the other half later and stir it well. Now we'll add the other half.
Now we must mix this until there is no more lumps and it is at a smoother consistency. This is Eno and is a fruit salt. We will add roughly 1 teaspoon into the mix. Now we will whisk it.
So now for greasing the pan, we will add a little oil. Now we will grease the pan and spread the oil on the sides and the surface of the pan.
Now I will be pouring this batter into this cake tin.
So now we will tap it to make sure that the air bubbles don't remain inside. Now the water is boiling. We will keep the cake tin in the steaming pan. Now we have to steam the cake for around 20 to 25 minutes in this pan. And we will cover it with a lid. So now if you are seeing that we have kept it on a double boiler
And it will melt within a few seconds.
Now our mom is helping us to melt the chocolate as the pan is hot. So now I'm going to pour this chocolate into the molds.
Now we will tap this and cool this for 5 to 10 minutes in the freezer.
Now the cake is done. Now my mother is removing the cake from the steaming pan. Let it cool for about an hour. And then we will garnish it.
Now I am demolding the chocolates since they have cooled. And see how pretty they look? These will go on top of our cake after it's cold.
So now the cake is all ready and has cooled down. Now we will demold it. Take a knife and go through its borders. Wow, the cake is so spongy. And now we'll put the chocolates which we made earlier. Now we'll decorate with cherries. Wow, awesome. We hope you like our video.
Please subscribe and give us many likes.
Bye.